bind, cause he was way behind and he was willing to make a deal. When he came across that young boy playing that fiddle hot, and the devil jumped up on a hickory stump, said, boy, let me tell you what, I bet you didn't know if I'm a fiddle player too, and if you care to take a dare, I'll make a bet with you. Now you play a pretty good fiddle, boy, but give the devil his due. I better fiddle of gold, get your soul, cause I think I'm better than you. The boy said, my name's Johnny, and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet, you're gonna regret, cause I'm the best that's ever been. Johnny, you rising up your bow and play that fiddle hard, cause hell's broke loose in Georgia and the devil deals the cards. And if you win, you get this shiny fiddle made of gold, but if you lose, the devil gets your soul. The devil opened Devil's case and he said, I'll start the show. And fire flew from his fingertips, he risened up his bow, and he pulled that bow across the strings and it made an evil hiss. Then a band of demons joined in and sounded something like this. Devil finished, Johnny said, well, you're pretty good, old son. Just sit down in that chair right there, let me show you how it's done. Fire on the mountain, run, boys, run. Devil's in the house of the rising sun. Chicken in the bread pan, picking out dough. Granny's don't bite no child, no. Because he knew that he'd been beat, he laid that golden fiddle on the ground at Johnny's feet. Johnny said, devil, just come back if you ever want to try again. I told you once, you son of a bitch, I'm the best there's ever been.